Hey, well, you already saw that I got you a nice watch for your birthday.
Yeah.
Let me see the watch.
It's in the room in the drawer.
Oh, okay, never mind then.
Which one?
All right, so go pick.
I don't know. You can tell me which one you want me to open.
Okay, how about you try this one? This one's easy access. Happy birthday to Boris.
Oh, shiznit. That the you, baby. That the you.
A hoodie.
That's nice.
Open it.
Oh, I see it. Nice.
Okay. You don't want to
Okay,
open it and
one?
see it. Oh. I saved the best for last. Okay, now open this one.
Away. Oh.
Yeah. Picture for the boys. I tried to print out the pictures and put them in there, but we have to go to Walgreens for that because my printer sucks.
Oh.
That one. That one, yeah.
My main case gonna be a shiznit.
I know, especially with that in your hand.
Oh shit, the dog. What is it? Oh, Team Dartboard. What?
That's right. Look, that was originally supposed to be dolphins, but they sent me the wrong one.
It's alright because it's you and...
Yeah, and I need you to open save the best for last.
The best for last.
I think it's the best. It's just my personal opinion.
Cave.
It was supposed to be dolphin too, and they sent me But fuck it. You said that you didn't care, right?
This is raw,
bro. I didn't want to give up on it because for it to say that word.
Bro, that's raw, bro.
So.
Bro, the fucking bro.
Who got the best gifts to your personality?
That was some good stuff, boy.
Right?
Edgar's gonna fall in love with that shit.
Yeah, he's more obsessed than you are. I know you're more a Dolphins fan, but they messed up.
It's alright.
Okay. Y es mejor comprarte algo que tú lo vas a ver siempre que algo that you're just gonna put on, you know?
Yeah. That shit's wrong. That's enough of that. Come on, stop.